Okay, so today we're going to be installing our surf carry pocket on our FSH T-top model. So step one here, we're going to go ahead and flip up the all-around light. Place this up on top. Make sure the 4 loops are on the aft side of the top. And then we're going to slip those around each of the rocket launchers. Okay, from there we can unroll it, moving forward to the bow. Then the next step is going to be attach these 2 clips here to ensure that you're centered. So we're going to come around this pipe here and clip to itself, and then tighten that down. Next, we're going to attach these 4 here, but we're going to leave them loose until the very last step so that we can ensure we're centered on the top. Okay, make sure there's no twists. We're going to go around this one here. And back to itself, making sure you go over the top. Okay, and again, we'll leave that loose for now. Okay, and then this one here, we're actually going to go around this tube and then back to itself. This allows a little bit of stern pull to keep everything nice and tight up top. And then we can go ahead and snug our sides down here, ensuring that we have the same amount on either side. All right, and then as a final step, we have these nice little clips that you can put the tails in to dress it up a little bit. Okay, and that's it. And now we're ready to use it.